detected.
How's our ride looking?
Tip-top. Though alas, we are being pursued.
Sweet mommy Jesus!
Please remain calm.
Calm!
Roadblock ahead. I can't...
Time and clavos!
For it. A hostile enemy aircraft has a lock on it.
Leave it to me!
I guess they just give up!
We did it, Jackie! We fucking made it!
I guess we did.
My medical diagnostics indicate that Mr. Wells's condition is critical.
Take us to a Ripper dock now!
Apologies, but that will not be possible. Our itinerary has been pre-arranged and paid for in advance. I am not at liberty to alter it.
Fuck your liberty! Do what I say!
It's okay, V. We'll hold out.
I suggest you try to keep Mr. Wells conscious.
It's gonna be all right. You'll see Misty, your mom, everyone you love. Jackie, don't close your eyes.
Misty, she knew. She always knew. Biochip. Hold on to